Good morning kids. Today I'm going to tell you all that how we can do drawing, how we can learn drawing step by step by the alphabets we love. Okay, so starting with the first letter, which is the first letter of alphabet series? Letter A. A is for apple. So here for drawing, for doing drawing with letter A, we need a sheet like this, a white sheet like this, or you can use your drawing copy. If you're having this drawing copy with the blank pages, then you can use a white paper. Okay, here I am having a scale to divide the sheet into 4 parts. I am having a thin marker and a bold marker. You can use the sketch pen also. You can use this sketch pen also. Okay, so starting with this activity, first divide. This is too lengthy page, so first we will divide this page into 4 parts. Okay, इस page को हम 4 parts में divide करेंगे. So here I am dividing the page into 4 parts with a sketch pen. You can take the help of your mama, papa or anyone else to draw a line. Here I am dividing the page into 4 parts, matching the line like this. Now what's the next step? First letter is letter A. Here I will tell you how you make A. How you make A? Generally you put 3 dots, है ना? We make 3 dots to make A. We make A like this. Is it so? Now see. 3 dots we'll put here, 3 dots to make A. First we will make A. Okay, now see, you will match these dots to make A. First slant line, again a slant line and a sleeping line. This is my A. Now I will join this line also. Then starting from here, I will make a semicircle, or you can say half circle. Okay, done. Now see what I am doing. From here, from the top, I'll make a shape like this and a ball like this, or you can say a small circle like this. Okay, so this is our cap. You can draw cap by writing letter A. Okay, now with letter B. Now see how you can write with letter B. How we write B? For B we put 3 dots. For B we put 3 dots. Then we match these dots and we make 2 half circles like this. Okay, now see here what I'm doing. I'm making 3 dots to make letter B. Okay, I'm joining these dots to make letter B. And a half circle and again a half circle. Okay, now what else? I'll make a circle here and like this. Okay, now next step is I'll make a slant line. Okay, from here to here, a slant line. Again a slant line, one more slant line, again a slant line and one more slant line. Okay, now I'll use a thin marker because it's quite bold. Now I'll make a shape like V. Slant line. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll make a shape like this. Okay, now one more thing, we'll make one more shape like this and okay, can you see that we have made a word with letter B. Now what comes after B? What comes after B? That is letter C. Okay, so for C we used to keep 2 dots. Then after that we join these 2 dots. This is our C. Now we are going to make a caterpillar with letter C. Now see this, I am putting 2 dots to make a C. I am matching these dots and I have made a C. You all can make C. You all can make letter C. It is very easy. Now what I am going to do is again a small C, you can say. Not a small C but a big C, but not a full C. I'll make a half C. Then after that I am going to make it like this. Okay, you all can see this. Now what else? I am going to repeat this step again and again to make a caterpillar. You all can see reverse C. उल्टा सी हम बना रहे हैं. We are making reverse C. And the same shape we have made it here, we'll make it here also like this. And legs, caterpillars, legs like this. Now see 2 eyes, and a smiley. One more thing. Okay, so it's nice. We can make step-by-step drawing from our letters. Okay, alphabetic series. So this is A, we have made a cat. This is B, we have made a bird. And this is letter C. From C, we have made a caterpillar. Now you can fill the colors in these things, in these three objects. Either if you are having crayons, then you can fill the colors using crayons. Or if you are having pencil colors, then you can use your pencil colors. Or if you're not having pencil color crayons, then you can use these sketch pens also. Okay, so either of the colors you can use. Let's see, I'm using here pencil color. Okay, now see, the very first color I'm choosing here is color green. I'm filling here green color. While filling color, please make very sure that always fill in same direction. Okay, don't change the directions. Okay, if you are using this pencil colors in a slanting manner, use it in a slant manner only. If you are using it in a standing manner like this, then you should use it in a standing manner. And your pencil should be not like this. It should be like this. Okay, so use your pencil like this. So, and don't don't pressure your pencil. Don't pressurize your pencil. Use it very lightly. Your drawing will be very beautiful. Okay. Fill the color. The color should not move out from the object. Okay. Make it clear that your color should not move out. Now I'm putting a red color on this pom-pom. And another color. Which color I should use? Pink. The pink color here. You can see I'm using in the same direction. Use the colors in the same direction, then only your drawing will be beautiful. Okay? Done? Now see, I'm going to fill color in this, and for this I'm using crayons. You can use any colors. If you are having crayons, you can fill the colors using crayons. If you are not having crayons, then you can go with pencil colors or sketch. Whatever colors you are having, you can use that. Here I am having all the colors, so I am telling you all how to use these colors. Okay. So for bird, I am using green color. For the beak of the bird, we use a red color. Okay. Use in same direction. See how I am using. Don't pressurize your colors. Okay. Don't pressurize your colors. See how I am using these colors. I am using it very lightly and in one direction only. And your pencil should be slant, not in standing position. Okay. Your color pencils should be in slant direction, not in standing direction. So always use your pencils or crayons in this manner, not in this manner. Okay. Now we color red to the beak. This is orange. You can see how beautiful bird is looking. Now I'm going to do this caterpillar. I'll make this caterpillar colorful. Okay. Can I use this sketch pens? I'm using this sketch pen and making this caterpillar colorful. So I'm using 3 colors to show you all the effect of all the colors, but you can use any of the color. It is not mandatory that you have to use pencil colors or crayons or sketch, whatever colors you are having, you can use that colors. Okay. Why I'm showing you all with different colors? To make you all know how you can use these colors. See how lightly I'm using it. I'm not pressurizing my colors. Okay. So you should also not do this. I'm doing yellow color here. Use the colors in one direction. Okay. And always remember that when you are using colors now, especially sketch pens, so you should close it. After using, you should close it. Otherwise what happens? The colors get wet or dry. Now I am using pink color here. See, I am using it in one direction only. And on the border you should be little slow. Now I am using green. Little slow. Go little slow near border and in one direction. Okay, no white space should be seen. Okay, now blue. the same manner, you can fill the colors of your choice. Here I am doing red. Now you can repeat the colors, okay? You can repeat the colors also. Go slow near the border and in the direction. Okay. Now do it accordingly, according to your choice. You can color according to your choice. Whichever color you want to fill, you can use that color. Okay. It is interesting activity for you all. This manner you will practice your letters also, your alphabets also, and you will learn drawing. I think for you all, crayons will be better. Okay, don't go for sketch pens. Crayons will be better option for you all because you all are in learning stage. So use crayons, okay, or pencil colors. You can fill it according to your choice. Any color you can fill, whichever you want the caterpillar to look. Good. Go slow near the border. Okay. I think you should go with crayons or pencil colors. That will make your drawing look more beautiful. Okay. So here I'm making it little bold because of sketch pen. Okay, so here I have completed my drawing. You people also start making like this. Okay, thank you.